good morning, everybody. We're up bright and early here again this morning. It's about 4:59, but just wanted to take a second to really introduce myself. I'm 40 years old. My name is TJ. Sorry this light doesn't really catch my face very good with the hat on. But I'm from Hagerstown, Maryland. Right near the border of Maryland and Pennsylvania. So I've been doing this job, pumping milk, for about almost a year. It's been almost a year doing milk, which I've never done milk before. I've done dry bulk. I've never done the actual liquid in a tanker. So this is completely new for me. Learning a lot from a guy that's very experienced, helped a ton. I mean, an absolute ton. Guy's been doing it for like 20 years, and he really helped me out a lot. His name is Zach. I look up to him in this business. He's been through a lot, been through a couple companies, and he works 6 days a week, hard worker, does a route and a half every day, which is, you know, pickup, delivery, and pickup. But about trucking, I've been driving since I was like 18. Drove an intrastate, I guess that would be, I think that's the term, like in only the state you can drive under 21. A commercial vehicle that's under a certain weight. It's had hydraulic brakes, but it was just local. So I was 18 driving that, and then I started working at Dr. Pepper, got my B license through them, and then went to Budweiser and got my A license through Budweiser. That was back when a lot more companies kind of hired you without it. Now, my circumstances, they kind of liked my work ethic. They saw me working at Dr. Pepper, and they were like, hey, come over to Budweiser. We have B trucks and A trucks. We can get you your A license. So it's kind of like an incentive to get me to work for them. I don't know if they did that with everybody. Not to say that I'm special or anything, but, you know, they just liked my work style, I guess, and wanted to kind of entice me to come over. So that's the only reason I say that. But yeah, got my A's through them. That was probably 2007 was when I got my A license. So I've had my A license for about 15, 16 years. I loved working, delivering beer, but I had back surgery in 2012. Just can't do that kind of physical stuff anymore. It's just too difficult going. But doing these videos helps me get up early, be excited about the day, and get excited about work. I've been eating a lot better. Kind of gives you a sense of purpose instead of the old daily routine, if that makes any sense. So I really enjoy doing the videos, and I hope you guys are enjoying them. I know the editing could be better. I know I could have cut out a lot of the before work stuff in the first video. If you go back and watch the first one, it's a little long in the tooth for the first half. But I'm getting there. I promise, you know, if you guys want to come back and keep watching and enjoy the journey with me, that the editing will get better. I'll try to cut things and take your guys' comments and tips, and, you know, I want to build a community here. I know milk pumping, there's a lot of us out here that pump milk, but just I don't see much on YouTube, and I want to kind of make more of a community for just truck drivers, people that like truck driving. I don't even care if you don't drive a truck, you know, pop in, say hi, tell me where you're from in the comments, whatever that is. You know, I want to hear from you. I'm really interactive with the people that comment. So if you got something to say or discuss or want to say hi, just, hey, you know, shoot it down in the bottom there. I guarantee I'll get you a like and a comment back at least, and you know, we'll go try to grow this channel a little bit. So anyway, that's enough rambling on. I just wanted to thank y'all for watching the first two main videos. You know, I made like a couple little funny ones. I made kind of like a sampling video, and then two like long vlog videos so far. But you know, we're going to keep getting better, and they're just the first ones out of the batch, so we're going to keep going at it and doing our best. So, you know, come back and catch a few videos. I'm going to try to pump them out every couple of days, maybe like 2 a week, at least 1 a week. So we'll, once we get moving and get kind of a schedule, I'll get more of a set schedule. Hey, how y'all doing? We just got done the first stop. Now, it was a little too dark to really videotape. I just had to jump out and grab like 3,000 pounds out of this feller's tank, but we're just gonna get moving. The clouds are opening up. It's still really overcast, really dreary and dim, and I gotta put my seatbelt on. But yeah, really dreary and dim, and just not great light today. So had hail last night, hailstorm, and a lot of thunderstorms and rainstorms where I live. So it was just a rough weathered evening, if that is even a thorough sentence or thought. Like I said, that morning brain, it'll get you. It'll get you. So anyhow, yeah, we're on our way to stop number 2. Normal stop number 1. Have you? Now today we got a little bit of a change on the route. We're going to be going to Dairy Made in Frederick today, which usually on this route I go to Carlisle. I go to Land O'Lakes and Carlisle on this route, but they're gonna have me go to Dairy Made. Now the weird thing is they made the appointment for like 8:15. I'm not even gonna come close to that, but they said just do the best I can. I'm probably gonna be almost 2 hours after the appointment time. I'll probably get there at 9:30's best case scenario. Probably gonna be pushing 10, so it's gonna be at least an hour and a half late. That place down there, usually, as long as you have an appointment for that day, it's basically first come, first serve. It's just how it works there. I don't know what else to say about it. It is what it is. So anyway, we're gonna keep on rolling to stop number 2 here, and we'll get some work done. Get rolling, get the day moving. That was just kind of a little snack, you know, just to get me moving. Look at that gun. Maybe we should go that way. Huh? Okay. Anywho, let's go. Let's get on to stop number 2, baby. Gotta watch swinging wide here, man. Some of these people, they come flying around the turn. So. Woo, baby! Look at that overcast. Kind of doom and gloom here. The apocalypse. Oh yeah, the apocalypse. That's a terrible Randy Macho Man impression. Terrible. Oh yeah, snap it to a Slim Jim. That's pretty shabby, man. What do you guys rate that impression as? I'd go like 3 out of 10. Not the worst, definitely not the best. I don't even think it's worthy of a 5, that's for sure. Anywho, let's get over here and get this done. done here, which is we're going to get milk to flow through here so we can measure the milk. As you can see, the milk comes through a porthole here. You put this adapter on, and the milk flows and up this sight tube. Now, as you can see really close, it has numbers on it. Now, wherever this thing stops and settles. Now, they're not done pumping yet. This is kind of just to get it settled in there. Now, whenever they're done and we turn off the agitators, it'll level out. So whatever the level is inside, it'll be the level out here in the tube. So let's just say, for instance, right now, let's just say it's 121 it'll be, okay? So you would take that number 121 and we would go over here to the chart, which is on here. And you would find 121, which is that second column. And then 121.0, which is 19,570. Okay, so that would be the amount of weight that is this that's in the tank right now. So that's basically how you measure milk. Now, there's another way to measure milk, which is basically, it's like a dipstick on a car engine, which I've shown you in the sampling video of that. So yeah, not tough stuff. Basically same deal. You get a number off the dipstick, which, you know, could be 121 again or whatever, and you go over to your chart. Now, every chart for every tank is different because they're all calibrated. It's calibrated for that particular tank. So no chart's going to be the same. It's not going to be uniform. So if I say it's 121 equals this, it's 121 is going to be different for every tank we go to. So I just wanted to kind of make that clear. Other than that, we're just basically getting... So right now, they're still pumping. As you can see, milk is still going in the tank. So we'll turn on the light for them here. Yeah, milk's still going in the tank, so whenever they're done pumping, they'll come over and swing this pipe over to that pipe, and then we'll go ahead and measure, agitate it again, and you know, go ahead and do our routine. So basically all there is to it, and we'll get things rolling here. Let's get it going. So let's get some paperwork done. I'll see you in a minute. We're gonna go up and get our sample. It's agitated enough. We'll take our sanitized scoop when we want to get our sample. Milk covered. That's it. Now we're going to take our sample out and get it in the ice. Sanitizer! Sorry, it's loud. Waiting for it to finish pumping now. We did our sample. We got that done. Always make sure your lid's covered as well. A lot of this is paperwork. We got to make sure we do the chart that's at the farm.
and also fill out the required paperwork for the co-op as well. So right now we just basically just take off your sample hose and you put on your main line, get everything hooked up, open your valve and start pumping. Basically all there is to it. It's not rocket science, but there is certain things in place to make sure it's right. You always want to make sure the smell's on, make sure the temperature is good. You don't want to pick up warm milk or something that stinks or something that just doesn't look right. It's all your judgment and making sure you pick up good quality milk. If there ever is an issue, you gotta bring it to the attention of the farmer and your boss. So, but other than my farms are great. I don't ever have that kind of problem. So, all right, let's wait till we're done pumping here. And whew, I hope it doesn't rain. Let's go out here and take a look at the sky out here. It looks wicked. Definitely looks pretty wicked out here. You can see. It looks like it's breaking up back there in the back. Wow, look at that pretty view. Isn't that awesome? I just love the sky out here. I don't get a lot of this in the city. Just a beautiful, beautiful sky. Hopefully that nice clear sky comes over this way. So, all right, let's wait on this thing to get done pumping, shall we? Let's get our paperwork done. All right, so now that we're done pumping, we're gonna go ahead and cap the hose, yank everything out. Hose is capped. We're gonna rinse the tank. There's milk left in there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna give it a good rinsing. Let's give her a good rinsing. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I like it to get as perfect as we can. So, you can see, pretty good in there. Okay, all right, seal her up. Climb down. And put our hose away here. Alright, now we're going to put our washer into the port. Just like so. And we're going to slide it in just like that. Now, this is where this line gets sanitized. And then the sanitizer comes out of here. And we'll also sanitize down here. So now we go over here to the wash. Start the wash cycle. And we're cranking. That's the sanitizer and the soap. That'll, wash the lines. That's the cycle time left. As you can see, you can hear, that it's cranking up. So let's go out here and wrap this up. And cap our porthole. unplug our cord. Looks like we got a big gob of mud or a leaf there. Thank goodness that's a leaf and not mud. Alright. So, let's go ahead and get this cleaned up, shall we? I don't know why I'm whispering. Well, yeah, dude, I know why I'm whispering. People don't think I'm a kook talking to myself. Oh, yeah, this is muddy. Ugh. Dirty cords. All right. There we go. Hello.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Awesome. All right. We are out of here. All right, we are we're done this stop. We're gonna go ahead and head over to our next stop, which is pretty close by. Not crazy far away.